We are Overheritage Kinematics, creators, developers, and producers of kinematic systems for increasing comfort, ergonomics, ease of use, and versatile spaces in automotive industry, home appliances, and furniture, using our strengths, collaborating hubs, and HETI Group. Our most important challenges are related to two main goals. The first one talks about manufacturing process. There, big data and collaborative robotics are oriented to the improvement of the reliable assembly of short and medium series. Second one is closer to development process, where kinematics, ergonomics, Internet of Things with virtual reality, even health industry are very relevant for us. What we are looking for when joining BIM 4.0 is to foster the open innovation activities by finding startups which could create together a new business opportunities. So please, if you want to enjoy with and be part of young, motivated team, feel our willingness to find new ways for discover new scenarios and opportunities.